Welcome to Cadence World. This is Batman. And today we're going to show you the ultimate hack to find Daredevil Ryan. Batman has to find the surprise toy in this spooky Halloween bucket. Ready, set, go! Now, the secret to finding this specific Ryan's World toy is to look at the code on the side of the bag. While Batman is opening up the surprise toy, big shoutouts to Anjali Says, Celine's Toy Surprise Box, Mimi's Toy Corner, and Kev's Toy Fun. Let me know in the comments if you want a shout out. We are so excited to find this rare Ryan's World action figure. Oh, cool! Please give this video a big thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, hit the red button to subscribe and ring the bell so you get notified for our next video. See you next time!